Siemens Energy offers products, service, and solutions to the energy ecosystem worldwide. Siemens Energy operates in 90 countries, employing 90,000 people worldwide.
Our power plant is based on natural gas, producing 73 megawatts. Before we implemented Percepto technology, we were doing manual inspection only. In the past, we were relying on the operator's skills, which were doing the walk down during his shifts on the power plant, and only if he noticed any kind of a fault, we will know about it. Failing to achieve our daily production plans may lead us to paying some penalties and fines.
In order to reduce the manual effort of inspections from the local team, we wanted to scout and search a technology that can help us to do this activity from remote. And then we found Percepto.
With Percepto solutions, we are able to identify problems before they occur.
We have decided to work with Percepto because we believe that this company has the right solution that can fit to our needs.
Today we have a better planning for annual outages. Having all the data managed by AIM software is critical for us. Now we are in control of all the data. The Percepto solution gave us more reliable information on the power plant production and make sure that we will be 100% available. Before we used Percepto solution, we were not aware that we have clogged pipes in the ACC. With the reports we received from Percepto, we realized that we have a problem in the ACC, which might impact the production of the power plant. During the last shutdown, we have used Percepto technology to monitor the activities on site. The biggest benefit from Percepto technology is being able to trace or to locate the faults in a very quick way. Before Percepto, we were not able to trace those issues easily, and it would take us a long time to trace them or to understand that we have those problems on our site. Using Percepto technology, we are saving time and increasing employee safety. We get reports at the end of each mission with actionable insights and key issues through the Percepto AIM software. The Percepto drones have scheduled tasks collecting consistent, good quality visual data. The drone flies autonomously. The Percepto solution made our life easier.
After implementing the Percepto solution in Kiryat Gat site, we have decided to scale up this technology worldwide.